If you would like to see how I do my hair wash routine, stay tuned. Right here is just an old hairstyle that I've had for like a couple of weeks. So I'm just taking it down. Ooh, it's a relief. Look at it. Yes. It was so needed for this wash day. Look at it. Look. I'm about to get these curls back to life. Okay, so right now I'm just going in and rinsing my hair to get all the dirt and the products from the previous style out of my head. And I am going in with warm water. Now I'm just taking my shampoo and just getting into that scalp, cleaning that scalp. Ooh, yes, that feels so good. This is so much needed for my hair. I'm just making sure I get on in and get each section really good. It really depends on how my hair is. Sometimes I do section them off in parts, but today is one of those days where it's like I just need to get on into my scalp and keep it going. Oh, forgot to show you guys the shampoo I'm using, which is the Aussie. Now I'm going in with the Dr. Miracle conditioning shampoo just to get that extra kick to my scalp, as well as put a little more life in it with the conditioning part. I like to rub and massage my scalp while facing down like that just to get some blood flow. Now it's time for conditioner. Time to put some life back into these curls. I just sped up the process right here. And I'm pretty much about to go in and separate each section with some plaits with the conditioner, just so I can make sure I'm conditioning each strand. And that was a process. So I'm just going to show you just a little bit right here, and then we'll just continue. I just fast forward to taking them down. Now that the washing and shampoo part is taken care of, it's time to go ahead and get started with detangling. Yes, you see the curls, they trying to pop. Now I'm just gonna separate into 2 sections and just plait like real quickly. This is sped up as well, just to separate them so they can kind of get ready, start drying, to help prepare me for my LOC method, which is also a good part of my wash day routine. Okay, so I'm out of the shower and now I'm just getting ready to just do the LOC method. So that's the leave-in, the oil, and my cream. And that way I can get ready for the way I'm going to style my hair. And I'm not going to show you my style on this video. I will make that a part 2 of this wash day. So, but let's just go ahead and get into the LOC method. Okay, y'all, listen, my products don't match, but hey, they're gonna all get the job done. So for my leave-in, I'm gonna do the Cream of Nature, the leave-in curl milk. And I'm just gonna apply it thoroughly throughout my hair, like a good generous amount. And I'm also going to keep adding water because my hair dries super quick. So I am going to keep adding water because you see how the product is just sitting there. I got to get those products up all in there. So yes, baby. Go ahead. This. Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you. Come on here.
It really depends on what I got going on and what I'm doing. Sometimes I use clips, sometimes I don't. It really just depends on my mood, how I'm feeling, or how my hair feeling. Like if I know my hair needs like a lot of attention, then I will use like clips to separate, make sure, you know, I'm giving it that necessary attention. But honestly, like if I'm keeping up with my hair on a regular basis, then for me, like I don't need to train it and be, you know, super duper in debt. Like right here for me, just being able to come in and just finger detangle and comb it through, making sure it's getting in there, like that's good. Like I'm good, that's good for me. Just show it a little TLC, you know. And I'm gonna just show y'all half of my head, that way we can go ahead and get through the LOC method process. The curls already looking pretty juicy with just the leave-in. Oh, and I didn't show y'all how much my hair came out. Not came out, but you know how your hair shed monthly. This is what it was like inside of the shower. So that's not that bad. So yep, I just be having to like show some extra love to my hair, especially since, you know, it's colored or just enough, because I do want to keep my color just a little bit, but also I do want to give it that attention, you know, that it needs as well. So okay, so now that I have the leave-in in, I'm going to go in with my oil, which today I'm going to be using the tea tree oil. It's really good for, you know, hair, skin, scalp, and it's a good treatment. So I'm just going to do a little, not a lot, just enough to, you know, coat my hair, because I don't want to do too much to my hair because of the style that I'm going to put it in. So, ooh, this smells so good. So, but I do want it like distributed throughout all of my strands. That way they're fully coated. I might go through. Oh, don't fall out. Okay. I might go back in. Let me see. Do a little more. In that middle part. Y'all, water, when it comes to your hair, water is your best friend, because, well, water is your best friend, period. Like, health as well. But water is really your best friend when it comes to your hair, because it's the foundation, it's the base. Like, products cannot get to your strands unless the water introduces them. Just period. Like, that's how it is. Okay. Ooh, and this feels so good. Like, oh, I know probably like I'm being rough, but I'm really not. I'm just like moving fast, that's all. But ooh, yeah. So now I'm gonna go in with my cream, and my choice of cream today, because we're talking about, you know, it's everything is getting me ready for my style. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. My cream today of choice will be the red palm oil and cocoa butter curl stretch pudding with flaxseed oil. So I'm going to be using this because the hairstyle that I'm going to be using, I actually want some length in it, and you know, I want a good stretch, so I'm going to use it. And also I already have oil in it just because, you know, I'm just wanting to nurture my hair as much as possible. I'm just going to take this amount. I don't want to, like I said, I'm not trying to do too much because I don't want my hair to be heavy, you know, so I'm just going to do just a little to coat my hair for my style. I like to give little random massages in there. Okay.
My daddy, mommy. Daddy, mommy.
Okay.
My daddy, mommy.
Okay, baby, here I come. I'm gonna put on Daddy Mommy's.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
And then I'm just gonna flat twist this back, but I do want to show y'all like side by side. Can y'all see the difference? This is just freshly washed hair, no product in it. Then this is the LOC method. Here's a better view. Freshly washed LOC method. So let's get into it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side, and then I'm gonna come back so you guys can see the finished wash day routine. Okay y'all, so this is the end of this video. Right now, like I said, I did both parts, twisted them, and right now I'm just gonna let them like dry, and you know, just all that moisture, let all that moisture build up, so that way I can be able to do my style, which I do maybe a few hours. I may just do it like after work, because by that time, you know, it'll be dry and ready. And then guess what, in order for y'all to see my hairstyle, y'all gotta stay tuned for the next video, part 2 of this. So thank you for staying this long in this video, and I hope you guys have a good day. Daysia is out this thing. Peace.